Drying installation 040207. Box-type drying installation with an electric air heater intended for drying product paint coatings. Drying is carried out by blowing products with intense recirculated air, heated by an electric air heater, according to the program set by the user. The drying installation consists of a housing, a cargo trolley, a heat venting unit, a trolley drive mechanism, attached trolley guides, electrical and pneumatic equipment. The body is made of welded steel rolling profile. Sections of a thin bent profile are inserted into the frame, filled with high-quality heat-insulating plates, providing installation with high energy efficiency and maintaining the temperature in accordance with the given technical process. As a rule, in a standard version of a drying installation, the maximum drying temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. However, according to the customer's specifications, it is possible to manufacture a drying installation with individual parameters. Cargo trolley is designed for mechanized feeding of products to be dried into the chamber. The cargo trolley is moved by a roller chain and moves along the guides. The guide section located outside the housing is removable. The heat venting unit is used to heat and recirculate air in the chamber. The unit consists of an explosion-proof centrifugal fan with an explosion-proof electric motor, an electric air heater and air ducts. The control cabinet consists of electrical equipment that allows you to automatically maintain the desired temperature in the installation chamber, set the duration of the heater and the exhaust fan, and also automatically resume the drying process from the moment of power failure in case of control station shutdown. Electric equipment repair supplier, ELECTROMASH Trading House.